I am Zia ULLAH, working as a postdoc at CNRS IDIT under the supervision of Professor Josiane MOTHE. The topic of my PhD thesis was a bipartite graph-based ranking method and its application in information retrieval and bioinformatics. Then in postdoc, I have been working on several fundamental problems in information retrieval. For example, adaptive information retrieval, query performance prediction, and applying machine learning to solve data-driven problems in natural language processing. And I started my PhD in 2013 at Toyoshi University of Technology, Japan, and I defended in 2016. The focus of my PhD was at the beginning was in bioinformatics, and then later on I focused on information retrieval. So basically, I developed a ranking methods that I applied to solve problems in bioinformatics and information retrieval. So I combined these two fields. When I was introduced this field, and I was really fascinated the applicability of this field, because the information retrieval is the core field, and it has applications in library information system, in search engine. For example, the successful one is Google search, and any type of retrieving documents for in the database, or in a small domain. And I think this is really interesting area to help the user by providing some piece of information that the user is looking for. So that's have a real applications in. I have been working in EDIT almost 4 years. So I started in 2017. Currently, I am involving in an European project, Previsions, and here I am developing some tools to solve some intelligent, very challenging problems related to the risks and security. And I also developing the interactions of these tools and with the other tools developed by some other partners from different countries. It is one of the prestigious research institute of computer science in France, and it has almost 700 members. So I have been here for last 4 years, and I find this place really healthy and very comfortable to work, and I find that it has facilities for in a very good research environment, and with all the platforms you need as a researcher to experiment your tools. So it has a specialty, and it also be possible to work from home. So we don't really need a desktop computer. So whatever we have some portable computer where we can work. We can connect to the IDIT OZRIM server, and it has I think a lot of storage capability and computational capability that we can do a state-of-the-art work. And I find IDIT is very comfortable and useful in all aspects. And in terms of the organization and administrative part, I also find it very comfortable and very easy and useful stuff. So in the next future, I am now currently planning to move either to the industry or to the academic field. And in the academic field, I am looking for some positions in the university. So I have two options to now choose. For the newer students to do a thesis in EDIT, I would suggest them in two folds. In the first fold, I would suggest them to find the research problem in first, and then collecting the data, and also go through the related state of the art work of that problem, and try to implement some of the related work and then evaluate those problems on the benchmark dataset. And I also suggest new students to not only focusing on proposing some innovative solutions to the research problem, but also try to learn the research methodology, so that after the PhD, the candidate can continue the research independently.